Hey fam, welcome back to my channel Update Savvy. Microsoft has released a major fix for version 2004, and the most important is it fixed the defrag issues on SSD. So if you are on a Windows 10 version 2004, you will get KB4571744 and bringing the build number to 19.041.488 to the 19.042.488. So first check the Windows version. You have to click firmware and then click here and check the Windows version 2004 you are using currently. So to install this update, the first option is you have to go on type Windows Update Settings, and it is the optional update, so you have to click here view optional update and you will see something like this. And the second method is you can download it like offline, which I have explained you also in my previous videos. You can directly come here and download your version accordingly, what are the Windows version you are using. Now let's talk about the update. So first come to this page and we know that the known issues and the notifications. So what we will do, we'll just copy this update number and just find it here. So you can see the number, it is resolved now, the dragging with the mouse in some apps. So this is the only issue which is resolved in this update. And now let's talk about the updates and the major fixes they have done. So if you come down, you see the highlights here. Update and issues might prevent ActiveX content from the loading, and there are many. So update and issues with the blurry sign in the screen. After the updates, if you come down here in the improvement and the fixes, you have seen a number of fixes. So that is why I said it is a major fix from the Microsoft side. But I think this is also very annoying, because if you as a Windows user and you have updated with the latest version, and if you faces this much of problems, so this is really difficult for a user to have a good experience. Now let's talk about some of the issues. So this is, I think, one of the common issues with the add-ons in the caused Microsoft Office to become unresponsive. And then if we'll come down and we will see the address and the issues that display black screen, Windows Virtual Desktop, and the another issues which is very common, address and issues that generate an error while printing a document repository, addresses an issue that cause a touch keyboard to close when the touch any key, addresses and issues with a blurry sign in screen, addresses and issues with a Windows update become unresponsive when checking the update. So this is a very common issue. So even in my previous videos for a cumulative update version 2004, I got so many comments that people are saying after installing the update, there are a lot of things, the search bar, menu bar, it become unresponsive. So this is one of the issues, and I think this is at least Microsoft has now issues. So this is something good. But again, if a lot of people are using this Windows system, and if you have this much of bugs, so this is really matter of concern. And then if we go down, so addresses and issues that cause a file explorer to stop working when you browse a directory of a raw image and other file type. I'm reading these out issues because these are very common for a user. So there is a lot of issues which they have addresses right now. So at least they have address it now. But again, if you have that much of issues in any version, so it will be very difficult for a user to use the system. And then again, if you come down, address and issues in which the app locker publisher rules might sometimes prevent application from loading software module, address and issues that cause the system to stop working and generate 70 stop code, and address an issue that cause application to take long time to open. And I mean, this is again a very common issues amongst the users. And then the list goes on, and the address an issue that cause delay during the shutdown when running Microsoft keyboard, filter services. And again, if you come down, address and issues that fail to turn off the host memory buffer when you force the shutdown of a device. As a result, SSD do not delete HMV content. You must install this cumulative update on your system. If you have any query, you can just comment below and I'll try to answer that question. Thank you for watching my video, fam. Please like and subscribe my channel, Update Savvy.